Welcome back, everybody. Now we're going to take a look at our DMI reversals, an ATR stop loss, and maybe even one or two watch lists. We need to finish up our watch lists here. So we'll pop over to our Darvis box daily. We'll let that populate or generate or whatever. And we're looking at this particular reversal indicator, okay? It gives us our reversals with a high and a low point. We're looking at the love sack. Now, let's bring it over to range and look at these Renko bars. And we still have our ATR stop loss. Now, that's this line here. That's going to be where it is. Now, you can adjust it however you like. And I like using Renko bars here. So when you are wondering where you should be putting your stop loss or following your stop loss, trailing stop loss, okay? You know, this helps you find that particular area. So let's bring up our stop loss indicators here with Thinkorswim. And the first one we get is our trailing stop. And we can hit apply, and we end up with these blue dots here, all right? But what I've noticed more often than not, if you put your stops where these blue dots are, which are maybe 10 or 15% off of, you know, whatever that is, you're probably going to get wiped out. Okay? So let's jump over to another stock if we can find one here. Looks like our Darvis box list is working hard to find something. Let's go pick anything off of the shelf here. And we can see that this ATR is kind of close to where, you know, the standard ATR is, but not really. Okay? Kinda. So we can get rid of our standard ATR. And it, what's it look like on the underside here? Trail type, modified or unmodified. You can go with ATR factor, ATR period. Looks like you can go long or short, and your average type. And buy and sell. Now we have a made study that was made by someone. Looks like follow Ken Rose on Twitter, Ken Rose _TDA for updates to this script and other scripts. Okay. I think I've seen him. I think he does videos on the Trader webcast. Okay. But let's see what we've got here. So everything pretty simple, okay, but now we've got this hashed out. All right, what's that? So let's go ahead and bring that back. And we also get our bull target. So let's bring that back. And plot bull trigger. Let's bring that back. And boom, all of that is open for us to use. Now let's take a look at that and see what it looks like. Now you see what our study looked like before. Let's see if it's any different. All right, now let's get rid of our reversal with stops here. We'll hit apply, and I don't really see a big difference in our ATR here, if any. Although it does give you a very nice place, a nice well-reserved spot to put your stop loss, okay? So that would keep you out of the range of, or most of the ranges that would dip there to wipe you out. All right, as we go bearish here, now it looks like it's a little sideways, still going down, completing this wedge here. So if we were to trade short, we'd have our stop loss just at this line or above it. Okay. So that's about how we would use that. So we would have it, if we got in at 11.95, we would have our short stop at 14.59. I don't see our Darvis box doing anything right now. And we have our DMI reversal triggers down here on the bottom. And those are based on just your DMI reversal alerts. Okay. And we can type in reversal here. And we see we have many different kinds of reversals. DMI. Let's see, trend. Let's see, reversal with stop scanner. Let's see what that one is. I'm sure that's got a that might be it. Yep, there we go. And those aren't bad. Those are pretty good signals there. I like those. So you could use those for a watch list, and they would be fairly accurate. Looks like here they would be very accurate, okay? And our DMI reversals, they're showing way more, all right? Now, are these reversals comparable to the other ones? Well, let's find out. Let's see, trend reversal scanner. The Elder Wand. Oh, that's funny. Yes, the Elder Wand. I wonder if that's Ken Rose again. Okay, hold on, I need to see that again. I've seen that. Okay. And it's probably this same one here. Yes, it is. A buy signal. Momentum down. So let's open some of these things back up. We got to go in and get our benefits back. This is why it helps to be able to learn things like this. It's not really great when you have to teach yourself, though. You have nobody to learn from, except for people on YouTube. And that's not always good. As I make a video. Alright, that stays. And let's open all these hashes up. And see what we get. What did I do? U1 cannot call. Why? Maybe I wasn't supposed to open all of those up. Arrow up, arrow down. Here. All better. Okay, so this is where we get our arrows from, or that is where we get our arrows from. Doesn't seem like anything's much different, but that could make a very good scanner. So I do like that for a bullish or bearish scanner on the daily. Let's see how that would perform on the 4-hour. Looks like that would perform very well. Very good, I like that. And less signals than the DMI reversal triggers or reversal alerts. So that's a very good one. We'll have to keep this one around. All right, now let's get rid of our ATR stop loss. But you can see how it lingers just below or just above the stock price, okay? And that's going to give you a pretty clear idea of where you want to be putting your stop losses at. Right now, they're looking pretty close together with a new low here on skills. Looks interesting. Although, I do expect it to push back maybe one more time before the pop. But given that the low is here, it might not. That's an up arrow. It could be ready to go. Alright, and we've got some gap ups for today, and that's going to be CNFR. Look like it might be a move. IEC, PBTS. Looks like this one already had its move, but it might have another one. PBTS. Kind of looks already had the move, but I think we're going to hit the pullback to the pop. Okay, so watch for that. XERS. Okay, we got our low here. We're pretty close to that low now. Yeah, watch this one, but it could start to level out and trade sideways. And X1, this one was on our list for a while. We were watching it. And what happened? I think it started popping up on our lists right around in this time here. And once it got above the ATR here, it just took off. And this is adjustable if you want to change it. Okay, let's get rid of our ATR stop losses for now. Let's get rid of these DMI reversal triggers for now. Let's go and type up reversal again. Let's do value area reversal. Let's see the Arun reversal scan. Okay, so this Arun reversal scan looks like it picks up on things that are, I mean, that's kind of a hammer there. This was a big dip here. Okay, then price did take off after that. It caught it right there, price exploded. Caught it right here, price went down. Caught it right here, price went down. Caught it right here, price went up. Okay. So we look for these Arun reversal signals. And let's go in and see what that is. Down is equal to 100, and Arun indicator up is equal to 100 within 4 bars. Down is equal to 100, and up is equal to 100 within 4 bars. Okay, so that means it's switching pretty quickly. At least if that's on a daily time frame. It needs to do it within 4 days. for it to be valid, which gives kind of a late signal, 4 days or 4 bars. See, here we go. Let's see the reversal. Downwards. And where was the other one? Right here. And still downwards. So it was an upward signal. Hit that reversal. Push down. Alright, let's get rid of that value area reversal. That one has not seemed to do us any good. And we'll get rid of the Arun reversal. And let's pull up our regular DMI. We can see our regular DMI reversal alerts. And that is based on the DMI stochastic extreme. Alright, so let's pull that up. And we can pull up the DMI stochastic extreme. And we can see that these line up pretty good. Now let's see if the DMI stochastic extreme. Okay. So it does not have a place in there to change whether it's predictive or simple or hull or whatnot, but we can build one so that it is. That way you can change where the placement of these arrows are based on how you want this line to appear. So that'll be a good thing too. But just for the simple, of it, the DMI reversals are based on the DMI stochastic. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Read all that stuff in the description down below.